Hi, this is an adaptation of the tuna sandwich that you get in the Subway shops. It's very easy and it tastes yum. So these are the basic ingredients that you're going to play with. You just need 2 cans of tuna. I use two varieties. One was with water and the other one was with oil. It tastes, it improves the taste. So once you take them out, I personally like to make a paste of this with some garlic cloves and some chopped green chilies. So make a paste of it. In the meanwhile, slice your onions and tomatoes. Here it is, the paste. So now I'll add some mayonnaise, some sweet onion sauce, and some American mustard, and of course some salt and pepper, and whip it gently. So the milk should look like this. Now you doctor your buns, make them hard, brush them with butter, and toast them. So now this is time to assemble the ingredients. So I personally like to use lettuce, and then you put your tuna um, milk. Over that, I've put some onions and tomatoes. I've not used olives and all because this is what I had at home, and some pieces of slices of cheese. So, see, I'll repeat it for you to see. So, I've added onions and all, and now I'm adding the cheese slices. This is the main ingredient that gives the actual flavor. It's a mint sauce, mint mayonnaise sauce. It's easily available in the market, so use that. And now you have to wrap it